Lawyers in Manipur under the aegis of the All Manipur Bar Association or the AMBA staged a sit-in protest today condemning the cutting down on a 50-year-old tree inside the Cheirap Court Complex in Imphal. Our correspondent Sharat Chandra was in Ground Zero to cover the protest by the AMBA members. And speaking to Northeast Live exclusively, the AMBA President P Tomcha informed that it is not yet established as on whose orders the tree was cut down. Well, Tomcha added that the AMBA approached the Chief Justice and lodged a complaint. Now further, the AMBA has also requested to the Chief Justice to commission an inquiry committee to look into the matter.
Very rare to see the lawyers' fraternity demonstrating protest, but right now I'm in front of the Cheirap Court Complex in Imphal West, and you can see just in front of the Cheirap Court Complex, this is the lawyers. They are just demonstrating protest. It is learned that this protest is against the cutting down of one 8-year-old tree inside the Cheirap Court Complex. This much we came to know, but it is a very rare kind of protest. It is very rare to see the lawyers' fraternity protesting sit-in protest, demonstrating sit-in protest. But yes, we'll come to know more when we interact with the executive member of this is All Manipur Bar Association, AMBA. This protest is under the aegis of AMBA, and this protest is again led by the AMBA President P Tomcha. Yeah, this is P Tomcha, Tomcha, who is the President of the All Manipur Bar Association. And on my left side is the Tomcha himself. He's just leading this protest from the front. So may I know the reason behind this protest?
The safe environment, safe trees is the slogan of present protest. And in the world environment also, environment is becoming a very serious issue. And in our state also, Luciferia is our light regarding this environment. However, in spite of all these things, in our court complex at Cheirap, which is a historical place, we are having age-old trees standing here, which precedes our birth also. Without any reason, on last Saturday, we got the news that one of the precious trees has been cut down. Then we rushed to the spot and found that the tree has been totally destroyed without any notice. And so, immediately we called for an emergency meeting, and we decided that we should abstain from court work on Monday in protest. And also that we should also approach the Honorable Chief Justice to initiate necessary inquiry and as to ascertain as to how a age-old tree standing in a judicial complex has been destroyed. Our protest is an information to the public and to all the concerned authorities regarding these illegalities. And we hope that the concerned authorities will take up necessary action to see that such things doesn't happen in future, and that those responsible are put in their right place. This is our hope.
Prima facie evidence, do you find anybody suspect or anything?
No, I cannot say that. We are lawyers, and without evidence, we have no right to speak.
Okay. Yeah, as of now, who could have cut down these trees? That is yet to be identified, yet to be found out. Will come to the notice of the public, and this protest will also give a very big message to the people of Manipur that people should concern about the environment and save the trees at their surrounding.
Well, meanwhile, our correspondent Donald Siram was at Ground Zero earlier today to bring us all the latest details. Take a look.
Right now we are inside this Cheirap Court Complex in Imphal West. Earlier in the afternoon, the All Manipur Bar Association, along with its members, demonstrated a protest just in front of this court complex against the felling of this bottle brush tree. So this tree has been standing tall here for over the last 50 years, giving shade to the people coming here and shelter to the birds. So the trunk and all have been removed from here. So we are being told that this tree was cut on Saturday, just 2 days ago. This tree has been here for over the past 50 years but this was cut down on Saturday. The reason and who ordered the felling of this tree has not been yet known so far. However, as we can see, inside this court complex, various other bottle brush trees are being grown here. At least 10 are being grown here, but this particular tree has been cut down. So, in fact, some of our sources are saying that this is to facilitate parking areas and all for the staff and other people who are coming inside this court complex. However, many of the members, some of the people are also saying that instead of cutting this tree, this non-functional lamp post could have been removed. So, as we can see, there are two non-functioning lamp posts. So, why are they not removing this instead of cutting this tree which has been here for the last 50 years? So, after this protest by this All Manipur Bar Association and all its members, the High Court of Manipur issued this circular just a while ago. They issued this circular ordering the staff and all not to cut any trees inside this court complex and other compounds used by the judiciary without the prior permission of the High Court. Yes, the High Court of Manipur had already issued similar orders in the past, but you see the High Court reiterated its order after the AMBA stages protest here earlier in the afternoon, and this tree was cut down. With camera person Roshan Khangimbam, this is Donald Saidam reporting for Northeast Live from Imphal.